पीछे आ जा, सटा के पीछे आ जा दौड़ के। फोटो ले
हमारे लिए ना सर ओके कंटिन्यू रखना शॉर्ट्स कंटिन्यू रखना
नहीं बात नहीं सीखना
डे प्ले करके आए थे ना पे
एनसीटी के जो सिटी मेंबर्स थे उन्होंने पूरा इंच टेप लेके हम लोग का बहुत बार हो चुकी है।
We are not that much fussy.
नहीं उनका
But we used to see the documents normally not in NACT but in BEd college instructions that you must have the records, land records,
ऐसा है।
which is registry or something conventionally it is there. So revenue records now become secret. So
मैं थोड़ा सा पानी
चाय पी
check it.
Yeah, of course. Chai, not exactly, but we had morning
Chai, coffee.
with breakfast.
Chai, coffee. Go service. Chai, you have to take something.
I know.
Even if you don't like. Eight classrooms are here. 8 classrooms are
more than that
11 class.
more than that
Yeah, first floor. Fourth तक.
sir we have lived sir
हम लोग लिफ्ट से लेंगे।
No, but there we have.
मैं यहाँ लिफ्ट
कोई बात नहीं. Yesterday we climbed fourth floor. There, that we were up to fourth floor.
Now
The
this
rest
is mandatory for 3 story.
Yeah, after 3 years, yeah.
बिल्डिंग प्लान भी है।
डेवलप को ऐसे नहीं करना है। यहाँ पर सारे टॉयलेट्स की आप देख सकते हैं एकदम पूरा नीचे चल ये हमारे स्टाफ का नमस्कार प्लीज हैव
Just teaching is generally
सर प्लीज दिस इज जेंडर एम्पावरमेंट
No, gender segregation of jobs. Gender segregation of employment.
So all of you are teacher here. Who's the best teacher in? Who's best? That's difficult conversation. We are good sir, but trying to be best. How you find your job? Yeah, teaching is not an easy.
Every session different kind of students are coming, so different kind of efforts. So I think we all are enjoying our job.
Medium of instruction is English or Hindi?
Mostly Hindi.
They write exams in Hindi.
English only. But
But they have an option to write.
Yeah.
They can opt to write English. But class lectures are in English.
In English only.
In both languages.
Both languages.
In BEd, I think lesson plan and these kinds of things, regular feedback and so
Micro
teacher
teaching.
diary,
Micro
micro teaching and something like that. So How many girl students? How percentage?
80%.
80-20.
But 80 girls, 20 boys.
Teaching
Why boys
is
are
also-
not coming to the BA?
Where are they going? Everywhere are girls. Engineering, medicine,
Maybe they are not enjoying their teaching job, maybe they want to search for another job. And teaching, you know, it's a kind of a very affectionate and touching.
No, there are several reasons for women.
That's
to be-
only ladies can do.
Balancing the family responsibilities.
This is kind of mother touch and motherly that can be.
All of you are, I think in B.Ed it is a self-financing course.
Yes.
And there is
Yes.
no regular and no pension benefits are there. So, but this contributory pension system, so with that,
But I think it's only in that mango. Like that.
but in case of this PF contributions. That in our case it is 14% is deposited by the government. But it is a private institution. It's not a government, you know.
Pass percentage, everybody passes.
And 80% above distinction, with distinction.
नकल से या अकल से?
नकल से नहीं कर। यहाँ other college में जाना।
यहाँ का यूनिकनेस सर बीएड का जो है बताना चाहिए कि संथाली और हो दो यहाँ की जो रीजनल लैंग्वेज है हम लोग
संथाली और दूसरी
हो तो चूंकि हम लोगों ने कॉलेज सिलेबस का हिस्सा नहीं है सर, लेकिन चूंकि इस एरिया में जो बच्चे हमारे टीचर जाएंगे तो उनको संथाली और हो का लैंग्वेज आना चाहिए, इसलिए हम लोगों ने सबके लिए कंपलसरी कर रखा।
संथाली जो है लिस्ट ऑफ लैंग्वेजेस में है या
हाँ सर, 8 शेड्यूल में है।
8 शेड्यूल?
जी सर, 2003 में हुआ।
2003
और जब चूंकि एग्जाम भी जब उनके होते हैं किसी स्कूल के लिए
Who's
तो
teaching?
Myself sir, लखई बास।
You are
I
teaching?
teach, yes sir।
You start the Santhali second year course.
आते हैं कब टीचर्स।
भास्कर साहब सर ने अभी बहुत सारे
जाने के बाद वो
आइडिया
Start
दिए।
with the nominal
हम करेंगे
Okay, sir।
उसमें हम
बहुत
लोग
कुछ हम
से कोई placement
कॉलेज को
आता है तो हम लोग
बदल देंगे।
बढ़ाते हैं।
There's a uniqueness or something.
Yes sir, yes sir.
कितना साल आगे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप?
I tell you, I'm sharing with you
2013 से
all.
ना?
I started my career in research.
पहले WhatsApp ग्रुप
And
कब से बनाया?
I visited almost all places, tribal places in Rajasthan. That's a tribal area in Rajasthan. Almost I visited all places of tribal areas in Rajasthan. So I understand at the time, it's in 1989 or something like that. 89 or 90.
बट
But,
आपका नहीं करती है।
We say that the government sector is reaching to those sectors, those areas which are underprivileged or
आप
which are
ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे।
less
मतलब
developed.
एक लीडर्स हैं, उन लोग अपने लीडर्स हैं, उन लोग ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं।
For some time you can start this Santhali.
Okay, sir, okay.
For an experiment,
Not only sir.
as a
All
pilot,
But
you
it's-
didn't need require any additional resources for that purpose. Even the people who from the urban areas, they will join it, they will understand it. That will help. But after some times, again, the students will not come to that.
So they have an alumni association, but can they register when they have one in the college? Because they all come under same curriculum. Can they register?
Yeah.
They can
They
register.
should register that.
They should register.
You should register. Trust is something else. College is, if you want an independent status, because NCT will demand that have you the registered alumni association, then they will ask you, you will tell them that college is having it and we are part of the college. You say, is it correct or not? So better you have
You can
your
have your
space.
association,
Within this
registration,
trust
office
you can
bearers.
have your own space. So anything you want to say about your pay packages, about the welfare activities, about your this challenges particularly, problems are not there. Most of you are here since how long? कितने साल से हो? Minimum कौन है? सबसे नया कौन है और सबसे पुराना कौन है?
सर सबसे पुराने हम
कितने साल से हो?
I am working since last 20 years.
20 years. वहाँ से शुरू
I
किया?
joined
हाँ,
in
2005 से हमने
2005.
start किया।
जी।
Madam also joined.
क्या पढ़ाते हैं?
History method. And in main paper some units, like in third paper statistics, and second semester paper 3, and first semester
You
paper
are
2.
post graduation in which discipline?
Yes sir.
Post graduation किस discipline में है?
History and economics.
मुझे नहीं आती कला। सबसे नया कौन है? आप हैं? आपने लेट ज्वाइन किया ये?
Yes.
हमारी स्टूडेंट है
So 2017.
2007 बच्चे बड़े हो गए तब किया
My kids they were in standard 4 that time.
कुछ भी इस यहाँ का सबसे बढ़िया सबसे प्रॉब्लमेटिक
और कुछ बदलना चाहिए।
क्या होना चाहिए?
Our target is to, our college should be like, our target is that we should reach that AMU. That is our benchmark.
Okay.
AMU is our benchmark.
Good.
We want to make our course like that.
Sir, our post is not government sanctioned post.
That's the challenge.
Time is gone. It's really, I don't know whether it is unfortunate or fortunate. Let at least this privatization and this liberalization that has made us, that we have to sustain based on our performance. And this way the government is not willing to do it. And not only in India, everywhere in the world. So there may be some socialistic pattern of society or nations particularly, but that influence is evaporating. So that's not possible, but you can have the better service conditions. As for example, that last pay commission that remained the good salaries for the teachers. Second, not only that, pension systems are there. Even for private employees, the pension system, no doubt not institutionalized till now, but likely to be. So another important thing is that fees that depends upon the paying capacity of the students. It depends upon the benevolence of the management of the trust. This is important. Some are good. As for example, many institutions, educational institutions are paying higher salary than the government sectors. In my case also at university level, that some universities take an example of MIT. The only thing is, although they are doing their best also, able to attract, that's marketing. Then Jindal University in my area. So many institutions are doing it. Then in Gujarat, Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar also, PDE, there is a university, that's a government supported and in private sector, and many institutions are doing it. And this trend is likely to stay. Whosoever, as for example, is 100 admissions, I think all seats are filled up since you are in the city. And most of the students are coming from rural areas or from cities. Proportion 60 from rural areas. 40
There are some competing colleges nearby.
good college.
Competing.
Because the urban areas, so many opportunities are there, and most of the people they are not interested in education. और बहुत सारे तो शायद टीचर बनना भी नहीं चाहते होंगे, ऐसा लगता है। नॉर्मली जब मैंने पास आउट किया था ग्रेजुएशन, तो हम सब टीचर लग सकते थे, लेकिन हमने ऑप्ट नहीं किया टीचर बनना। टीचर बनना नहीं चाहते थे, इट वाज सेकंड प्रेफरेंस कि हम टीचर बने थे। मोस्टली आप में से भी ऐसा ही होगा, तो इस तरीके की चीजें हैं। इट इज नॉट अनफॉर्चुनेट, इट इज एवरीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड। ये भी कोई ऐसा नहीं है, क्योंकि हमारी जो रैंकिंग है वो हमारी परफॉर्मेंस के बेस पे आती है, स्क्रीनिंग होती है।
They have lot of competition. There are some 13 colleges offering BEd nearby. So,
मैंने वो एक ही सवाल से पूछा था, आपकी रेशो क्या है? अगर 40% अर्बन एरिया से आ रहे हैं तो मेरे अपनी मार्केट अचीव करेंगे। दिस इज गुड।
सबसे पुराना कॉलेज हमारा 2005 से, इसके पहले भी था, अभी 2005 से हमारा है, और अभी तो नए कॉलेजेस बहुत आ रहे हैं, तो हमारा कॉलेज सबसे पुराना है।
4-year BEd जो प्रोग्राम है, get it, you will again get it. अब लीड करेंगे और उसमें तो इस तरीके की होगी है। इसी सेशन से अगर आप शुरू कर पाए तो नथिंग लाइक दैट। ठीक है। 2-4 मिनट रहेंगे बस, देखिए
ये सब पूरा फायर जी
उड़ीसा संथाली कुरमानी, these basic 3 languages in Jharkhand. In Odisha, that is the border of Jharkhand and Odisha. Odisha. Sitting area कहाँ?
Sitting area just बगल में साइड।
लाइब्रेरी में नहीं अच्छे इसको कनेक्ट नहीं किया, अदरवाइज इट्स अ गुड प्लेस। मैं एक सजेशन दे देता हूँ, बुक्स वहाँ, सिटिंग एरिया है। बच्चे खुश हो गए यहाँ पर बैठ के आते जाते को देख के। आपको मैं रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन करते हैं
जी, रिकॉर्ड कीजिए।
बीएड का तात्पर्य बोले बीएड का इंस्पेक्शन हर साल होता है। हमने तो एक बिल्डिंग देखी थी।
यहाँ पर रेन
हार्वेस्टिंग है
जी सर, पूरे एक ही चीज़ का जो है करना ही पड़ा। आपने इसलिए तो मैं देख नहीं रहा।
यहाँ चलते क्लासरूम से आते। हमारी 2 सेमेस्टर अभी चल रहा है, और एक सेमेस्टर जो फाइनल सेमेस्टर का एग्ज़ाम अभी हुआ है, तो लोग एग्ज़ाम का फाइनल बाकी है। ये 3 है, उधर चलिए लैंग्वेज लैब, फिर स्टूडेंट्स है। अच्छा चलिए आइए, आइए।
स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटी
हाँ सर, मैडम ऊपर आइए आइए सर, एक बार ऐसे करके इधर से घुसते हुए चलिए।
You don't have given this geological name.
Knowledge का water
Geological names are there on specific, but you have written the common,
तो इसमें कुछ रखी हो स्लाइड
Scientific name.
the scientific name.
सर स्लाइड है
क्या है इसमें?
क्या देखो बताओ
I don't know. Separate is one. हमें कहाँ
students are prospective teachers, so that we are providing things for this.
Forest chemistry. Forest chemistry. Computer is compulsory for
EPC 1 and 4 compulsory.
हम लोग 33 का स्टूडेंट्स का ग्रुप बनाया है, बैचेस बनाया है 33 इसलिए कंप्यूटर
इसके लिए यूज करते
क्या सिखाते सर बताइए आप?
क्लासेस हैं
Yes, yes.
हाँ,
Classes
है,
हैं।
है।
MS Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint.
EPC हम लोग का सिलेबस में ही
और सिलेबस
उसमें है, तो उसमें कुछ कोर्स है।
Yeah.
Yes, sir was suggesting that now we should start using AI also to our students. Sir, Yes, sir was telling that now we should start using AI also to our students.
तो अभी उन्होंने हमको करना
See, this online classes, they became popular with COVID. So now we
हम
are
लोग भी
going
थोड़ा
to
सा-
AI. Before that, there are a lot of online classes, something how to do it. Now everybody is doing the online seminars,
webinars, quad webinars.
Yeah,
ये rather sad too. इसमें चाहिए था सेकंड इसी में चाहिए
बच्चे की तरफ से
बच्चे में क्या है सर प्रोजेक्ट आप दिखा दीजिए ना
Not one, it goes.
सर एक बार म्यूजिक रूम मल्टीपर्पस होना चाहिए
It's only that one room.
हाँ आइए आइए सर म्यूजिक
ये से कल यहाँ या मल्टीपर्पज
प्रोग्राम हुआ था।
वहाँ का ये सब
मल्टीपर्पज
एक ऑनलाइन
राजेंद्र
ये हमारे स्टूडेंट्स ने मेक किया है सर ये सब जो बनाया है हमारा क्राफ्ट में है बनाया हुआ है एक बार बस पेंटिंग
मैम,
पेंटिंग ये सब पेंटिंग है
ये तो धागे से लगती है।
ये सूता है।
सूता नहीं सर सब पेंटिंग है सब हाथ लगा
No,
हुआ है।
yes, stitching.
नहीं सब पेंटिंग है थोड़ा लाइट दिखाओ मुझे। सब लाइट ये वो जो कोर्स है ब्राइट पेंटिंग
It's like a
presentation.
Sir, please sit.
No, no, we have to.
Oh, sir, stop na.
Yesterday we heard you. Yesterday we heard
I
him
know.
fully.
And
And we
it was a
appreciate
thank you.
it.
Thank you.
So very nice it
Thank
was.
you. Thank you, sir. बाबू साजे भट नहीं बात है क्या सीखते हो आईसीटी में आप हिंदी समझते हो ना
टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में
We deal with the classes online. The teacher presents and we answer.
ऑल द बेस्ट
ये ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के लिए हम लोगों ने ये बनाया
बाबू समस्या
It is only the first three.
जो अच्छा हो और दे दीजिएगा।
They make all these.
जय श्रीमान
ऑफिस ले लेना ऑफिस ऊपर ऑफिस लेके इधर जाना
थोड़ा सा 2-4 स्नैप लेके वीडियो करके Sir, it's some documents, so keep the documents ready. Sir, there's no need to go from the IT, no? There's some documents on it. Sir, वहाँ बैठेगी ना, वहाँ अच्छा रहेगा। हाँ, तू पहले सब नहीं सर, इसको बंद कर बैठे ना हाँ
ये सुजाता प्रोजेक्ट है ना?
ऑफ कर दीजिए
चलो।
These are women's cell reports.
Here it is written down to come.
इसको निकाल दो
She is very active. Meena Begum.
मोबिना बेगम
FDDs का सर्टिफिकेट है ना
Next time when you take the photo, no, it should be geotag.
Geotag, right?
Yes, yes.
We are doing that now.
FDD का लिस्ट
Geotag.
list certificates.
Kausar Tasneem is the coordinator, right?
Of UNICEF. Yes.
See, as per the UGC and Supreme Court directions, you have to constitute an internal complaints committee, ICC.
Yes.
You have?
Yes.
This is a very important statutory committee.
Yes.
But this is not mentioned anywhere there.
No, sir. Mention. Committees and cells on the list, है ना?
No, that's important because if any issues happens here, if it goes to the legal level, it will be the sole.
We have
And this, you have to, because this is a Supreme Court directive, it has to be taken. This is not academic interest. Okay.
Exactly. This is for the legal.
Yeah. So every year they have to, at least once in a semester, they have to continue meeting, take decisions, and all the decision has to be made.
Yes. We have sir.
That document will be taken, if any case goes to the court.
Goes to the board.
Yeah.
This committee will be
Yeah,
active.
yeah.
Yes. Sir. This is the Rotract report.
No, he asking about the progress that you have made in the adopted village. That he is asking.
That was there in the NSS report, sir.
No.
Huh? That is there. Shall we show it 1 second?
No.
It is there. It is there in the NSS.
A lot of photos are here now.
A few photographs. Less in comparison to NSS and women's service.
See, there was another gap for, the sanction intake of BCom is actually 1,000. And the number of students enrolled is only 450.
Exactly.
This is a huge gap.
This is,
Either you have to reduce the by
we
so many
this is what
Yeah.
we discussed in the morning.
Yeah,
He was conveying us what you instructed yesterday. So
because that means you are not able to attract students.
we have to reduce that.
Yeah.
Earlier,
You
earlier.
have to be practical.
Right, sir. Actually, earlier it was very demanded and it was.
Commerce is still demanding.
Commerce is still
But for that, no. That I am saying, no, without any financial involvement, we can do several things. For example, tank is, everything is outdated, what she has recommended. There are AI tools. For example, AI with Excel with AI.
Excel.
With AI. Then PowerPoint with AI. Word with AI. These three things now. This is very useful for college students, especially Excel with AI. Then there is another tool called Power BI. If it can teach these three things as an added program, surely the industry demands all these additional skills.
Right.
There is no financial element involved in it.
So, sir,
This is the literary activity report.
Smart is good. Yesterday we saw so you watch your popcorn, it was very good.
These are the FTPs and all refresher FTPs.
How many FDPs you have conducted?
We have conducted five
We
short
have
term
all
courses.
with the help of AMU.
Okay. How many
HRDC.
programs you conducted? here?
Till now we have conducted
In
six
this,
assessment periods.
three.
Assessment periods. 6 total.
And how many teachers, percentages teachers attend?
We fill up the seats. So this is a very
No,
recent.
from here?
Yeah.
Yes.
Most of us from our college. Like for example, under his coordinatorship, the course was organized, and there were 74 participants in
No,
that.
there is a specific question in the SSR. The number of FDPs conducted by the college and the number of teachers attended. Okay,
We
this
have
is
given
a
answer.
specific question.
Yeah, we have given
So,
answer.
criterion 6.
yeah.
These are the sir, and this is the
This
These are the sir.
This is the certificate. These are the certificates. of all the-
227. 227 sir.
Total.
Total.
Ah.
FTPs means
Total means, yeah,
Short term.
out of 227, you have conducted 3. Right?
Yeah, of course.
If he asks
This one is conducted by us.
if he asks him, you keep it valid.
Okay.
Actually, FDP means 5 days, minimum 5 days program.
We have considered while uploading SSR, we were confused whether 3 days or 2 days will be uploaded or not. Then we have removed these. At least 7 days we have kept.
And after 5 days.
5 days. Sorry, 5
We
days.
kept only those which is according to NAC acceptance.
And
And we
you
did
can
it.
upload it.
Ah.
Sometimes all these are private companies. Sometimes they may take.
I mean, we just deleted those 2 days, 3 days workshops and everything.
No, you can see, if they deleted, let them delete. But you can upload.
Acha, you
Oh,
can.
Sometimes they may take, no.
But what I and Moise did, that after uploading, we said, yeah, those days, 2-3 days NAC nahi maan raha hai, isko hata dein.
Because
So we removed all those 2-3 days one.
we don't want to show that we are uploading some false
No,
data.
you can upload anything, even one day.
Let the right
Yeah,
party
let them
decide.
decide.
Let them
If
decide.
they accept, no, your number will go up. Can you do one thing?
Yes.
You separate your program from this one.
So हमारा जो FDPs है कॉलेज जो कराया
The certificates and the brochures and everything you separate.
उसका ब्रोशर निकालो.
अभी
If he asks me.
अच्छा.
if he asks.
तुम निकालो.
हमारे
तीनों का
intervention
ब्रोशर
है,
निकालो.
उसका तीनों का ब्रोशर और डिटेल्स जो वो निकाल लो.
Keep it separate.
समझ गए तुम?
सर्टिफिकेट भी अलग
AMU वाले तो अभी तीनों को आए.
Remove from here. Sir, take it from here and
These
give
are
me a separate
separate.
file.
We are trying to find that brochure.
Brochure.
मैं निकाल लेता हूँ.
Photos है.
हाँ, photos is there.
Okay. Photo, brochures, photo, then certificate copy. Keep it a separate file.
निकाल लो.
Because he is interested in the program you are conducting.
इसमें से काले को अलग करना.
इसको रखे
अलग
रहिए.
रखते हैं. नहीं इनको बताते हैं.
इसको अलग रखो. जो सुनो ना, जो आलिफ वाला था, जो मेरा वाला था, है ना? हाँ, AMU से 6 किया है ना? ऊपर का जो लिखा है ड्यूरिंग द असेसमेंट पीरियड और वही सर वाला 3 है ना नीचे वो 3.
Then what else? What is asking?
This is those graduate courses that we did.
This is conducted by the department?
Yeah.
Are you charging?
English department
Are you
and
charging
MS
any?
Maestro. We charge only
Charging
300.
any?
We charge only 300
Only
per student.
And the students enrolled?
Yeah. In one course there were 80 plus students. I mean 83 to be exact. And another one we had 99 students. 99 students. In the 99 students, there were some students from Nirmala College, Ranchi also, because we have assigned some.
You see, to promote the teachers, have to conduct such programs. Design them, ask them to design courses, campaign extensively with the students. Then, if you are charging 1,000 rupees, give the teachers 300 or 400.
We give, sir. We give.
So that they will get an additional amount.
We give, sir.
So that way, all the departments can conduct. So, for example, I told you, economics persons can also do the same thing, except with the okay, because it's a highly demanding thing, and for that you have to do now. This is the planning that you have to do higher level. Okay, select to one teacher, and send him for the training in a professional institute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so he will become the resource person of his college. And then from he will teach a teacher from each department. Okay, for example, IT, then BCA, economics, commerce. He can teach all these teachers. Then that teachers will give training to the students and the department.
Sir, you said three, na? Excel with AI, Word with AI, and PPT with AI.
Then this thing, there is a course called prompt engineering. Prompt engineering means there is a method to give queries to the ChatGPT and like this. There is a method.
Yes.
So that is the system is being taught as prompt engineering. That is, we call it as prompt.
Okay.
For example, suggest me to the ways to improve the academic and administrative facilities of college. We are giving such a question now. There is a method to give the vocabulary and give. That is what is called prompt engineering. It's very simple. It's actually it needs 1 or 2 hours, but it gives you a lot of attention.
Yes, sir.
Then there is a new Chinese software here.
जिसने that which one which left ChatGPT.
Yes. See, this is free.
Okay.
So yeah, this is for example, suggest me ways to improve Kirin City College. Now after this, we'll put a column. Okay. Sorry. Act. Here it will act as the internal quality this low as well.
Yes.
just to
नाम लिखिए तो सॉफ्टवेयर
DeepSeek.
DeepSeek.
You can install now itself. No, this is the thinking process. Now this is the result in the bold letters.
DeepSeek.
Yeah, DeepSeek. See how practical.
That's good.
Now, initially it is thinking, thought, okay, and these are the input. Just now, facts. Enhance the teaching and educating city got a strategy plan by the IKC coordinator. See, strategy plan is prepared within 1 minute. See, faculty development program, workshops and training, peer learning circles, certifications, technology integration, LMS adoption, interactive tools, smart classrooms, curriculum enhancement, industry aligned update, project-based learning, internship mandates, assessment reforms, continuous evaluation, rubric-based grading, student feedback mechanism, infrastructure upgrade, research and innovation, inclusivity and support. So it's very easy to prepare a strategy plan and everything. Just copy this one, make a necessary modification, trade give management of the manager. This is the only thing we have to do now. Otherwise, 2 years back now, we have to sit and collect the data from Google and everything. We have to prepare ourselves. No, this is not needed.
Actually, it
So,
is free.
teaching this, giving the prompt, this is a method. This is not a professional method. This is not a professional method. So, this is what is called prompt. Act as an internal quality assurance coordinator.
First.
Then call it. So, it will, the DeepSeek will treat itself as an accuracy coordinator. Okay. Then it will think.
Yeah.
So this way you can give students. So within 2 or 3 years, the result will show the result.
Yes.
Then students will start. And if you get a good students, the campus will be very enjoyable. That we have practiced. This is my experience, I can say.
Yeah.
Okay. So these are separated, no?
This is the 5-year plan. And
5-year strategy plan.
we have marked those we have achieved, those partially achieved.
Okay. This is green
one is
section.
achieved, blue is partially achieved.
PG history, PG economics, everything.
We have.
After 2021. Okay.
Yes, yes. नहीं ये पूरा गिवन कर दिया इसमें सिर्फ हम लोग पीजी इंग्लिश डार्क किया हुआ जो बहुत बोल्ड है
Only PG English.
हाँ पीजी इंग्लिश
पीजी पॉलिटिकल साइंस
हाँ पूरा गिवन क्यों किया उसमें बोला गया था सिर्फ ये वाला है नहीं आफ्टर इस पीरियड में
Okay. No, PG geography is not here. No?
We have applied for PG geography English.
we have bolded
So
it.
what did he tell you that we have applied to the university?
They told. The history people told him.
When he asked you what your involvement as in the curriculum design, he asked you.
I said that we have applied for courses. I didn't name the history part, but
No, you said that you have given suggestion to the principal. And after that, what happened? Nothing happened.
history we have applied already to the government.
करिकुलम डिजाइन में जो सवाल था वो ना एक्चुअली इसमें हम लोग ये नहीं जवाब देते एक्चुअली इट इज जस्ट ऑप्टेड फॉर
You should have told him that we have applied to the university, but the university did not want to start.
वी हैव दिस बीबीए पीजीडीजीसी ये सब तो ये पीजी
BCom is-
ये नहीं ये सब नहीं ये गलत कर दिया बता के only these at least two.
Maybe by the integrity of the data, no. Yesterday also, you have written that you have got 72 in the
No, not in the RF.
yeah, the report is there.
No.
76 point something was there in the first NAC.
NAC.
Not NAC, NAR, right?
No, sir.
Yes, it is.
Who mentioned?
Not in your data list.
Director. NAC
Yesterday-
का बोलोगे, director नहीं बोलोगे. You must be telling me about NAC.
76, the score was in NAC.
72, 72 or something.
No, sir.
No, sir.
We have not got any such ranking in NIR.
No, there is no ranking in that.
And we have
And this was their document, and the madam was checking that.
No.
director's document. And we have not इस तरह का कोई फीडबैक भी हम लोगों को दिया भी नहीं.
मैम से एक बार क्लैरिफाई कर दीजिए.
पूरा जिसको जिसको बोले पूरा
पूरा को नहीं करना था.
जो जो अचीव किया था टिक लगा था उसको भी नहीं करना. We have PG English we have achieved, vocational course BBA we have done, PG DGC we have done.
इसको हटाओ. जो हो रहा है उसको हटाओ साइड कर दो.
And we have faculty development programs in campus.
This one you got.
This one.
This is almost 80% you achieved now.
हाँ.
Even NAC recommendation we have achieved.
This also, sir, the NAC recommendation,
We have achieved.
we achieved more than 80%.
Last time NAC recommendation was these for 10 things, and we have done completely in these 7, partially in 8th one, and these 2 we autonomy we will get after getting a better rank in NAC. Separate multi-purpose hall.
NAC.
What you have done for waste management?
So for waste management, we are doing 2 things, sir. One is that we have collaborated with a Kolkata-based company which is named as Uladek, and they are taking the e-waste from us. They have installed a bin here.
You make any linkage?
Yeah,
Signed any-
we have a linkage with Uladek, and we got awards also from Uladek. Uladek award वाला photograph है ना तुम्हारे पास इसका? And they are collecting the e-waste from us. Even they are paying something for
What
that.
about the plastic waste?
Yes, everything.
You
These kind of things.
You are serving plastic and
Yes, that is done by Koru Foundation. अभी मैं देखा हूँ just close to us. It is here.
For that also you have linkage with any NGO?
That is for Koru Foundation. They are doing the waste and plus
Segregation, there is no
segregation is
you have
done.
to do that.
Segregation is done.
No, segregate, you will do the.
Our people. Our staff is doing the segregation. They are putting those waste in different drums, and then the Koru Foundation people are carrying it. Plus, since our area comes under the Tata jurisdiction, so the Tatas have a utility service company called JUSCO, Jamshedpur Utility Services Company. So all electricity, cleanliness, water supply, everything is taken care by them. And for that they are charging money for us on annual basis, right? And they are supplying electricity, they are supplying water. They are taking care of the waste that is coming out, I mean all those kuda and everything. So they are maintaining it, the Jamshedpur Utility Services. ये ये सब MOU वाला है ना? This is the MOU one, sir, and
This is you upload in the website.
yeah, we have uploaded in the website, but not the compliance part. The plan is uploaded.
I think the attainment also you have to.
We should. Madam was also telling that you should upload the attainment also. Yes.
It's good because no, if good parents know, they will look all these things. Now, I mean educated parents,
Madam.
educated parents, they'll refer the website.
Yes. We will upload the attainments
So
also.
whatever that the quality initiative you are doing here, no, that should be reflected in the website.
Yes. Yes.
It's a big issue everywhere. No, in Kerala, there is a city called Thrissur. Okay, the fourth largest city in Kerala. Okay, there is a college called St. Mary's College. Very good college, very good research, everything. Autonomous college. Last year, after becoming autonomous, they got only one student for physics. Only one student. Being an affiliated aided course. Still they got only one student. This is the situation. So we have to modify ourselves to attract students. So we have to give something extra with the basic
The only traditional courses will not. So if you are packaging the traditional course with something extra.
That is why I am talking about. If you provide economics, commerce with these AI tools, very soon. You see, even there is online work. There are a lot of online works with the Excel.
This is what we will do from the next year itself. Inshallah.
For this, what I had done now, I picked one guy, a faculty member from the commerce department. I sent him for a training with a professional team. After that, he came back and he trained for the other four staff, faculty members. Then they started training for their students. This was the right stage.
That's good.
So initially I have some expense for 20,000 something like that. This is the only expenditure. After that, now we are charging students 1,500 plus students, and we are giving certificates also, and we are arranging internships also. Okay. So these for the first batch is I got nearly 40,000. So that is the amount I have spent for 20,000 given. It's recovered easily.
Sir, that certificate is by your institution or from the affiliate university?
No, for that not university. For that, we have made an arrangement with a professional team. Okay. So they get the certificate.
From private party. That's no private के साथ आना चाहिए.
Yeah, for that now, I think I paid some 200 rupees to the student.
हमने तो ऑफर मिल रहा है ये वाला जो कुछ लोग इंस्टीट्यूशन में ऑफर कर रही है मिल रही है.
Okay, sir.
This is the MOU part. And जो मैं कह रहा था सर पूरा MOU with पूरा
How many MOUs are functional?
9 MOUs are there and 4 are excessively functional. Matlab, I would like to say that more than 50% is function and a few MOUs are occasionally done. Only 2 MOUs are, matlab, after MOUs nothing has been done with 2 MOUs. Yeah. Placement is okay.
Yeah, teachers are saying that very good. Presentation was a little bit That was the thing. That to the first presentation.
That matters.
Yeah, that matters. The first impression is the best impression.
So this is the list of those teachers who are NET, SLET, PhDs and all that.
And we have certificates, their certificates.
No, this is not our duty. This is a qualitative.
This is so is it okay, sir? Anything else? No.
I'll report to them.
Okay, sir.
So these are the, I would like to show these are the initiative, or these are the code and policy document which we have made from IQAC.
5 policy documents is done by IQAC.
All you can see that it is done by IQAC. It is signed by IQAC.
But the thing is that it has to be implemented.
This was sir,
Like
this is ongoing. This we are
E-governance, we have-
continuously trying e-governance.
For this, if you are interested, I can help you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
We will be, we too will be in contact with you.
Everything in my. Everything is on my fingertip.
Yes, sir, I can see.
You can see.
You are always keeping some-
Before your coming, we saw that you are an expert in these kind of things. I on the profile.
See, I
During the cultural program also, we have observed that you were surfing your mobile phones.
We will certainly consult you. At least as IKC coordinators, we will consult you regarding what should be done.
This is against stuff now. I can easily understand who are going, who are on view on something here available.
Yes.
You can
They are
even
faculty,
yeah,
sir.
this is faculty. These are ongoing classes now. So I can easily understand.
Which are
Give some
service providers?
for example, this is our own level.
Your own level.
College level. All the information will be taken. So his timetable everything will be there. And he give
Lesson plan here.
everything. Even teachers also have this. So by taking attendance itself, they can improve the lesson.
We have also prepared SOP for the departments also. For account section and for library.
No, this should not lie on the papers. You should implement it.
To implement it, sir, of course. We have published in the website also. Sir, you want?
The gym people wants to at least once, just a cursory look for the gymnasium.
What's if you suggest something?
Yes.
Which was at least 60%.
More than that, they accept.
That's enough.
For academics, they never stop it.
Jai Shriman. Jai sir.
Gymnasium.
Jai sir.
Not yet.
Then maybe in this course.
Jai sir.
Gentleman.
Jai Shriman. Jai sir. Jai sir.
were in 4 teams. Like lotteries, captains, then football. And I was the captain of youth.
Just for the sake of a photograph.
Shape the area.
Thank you.
Maybe 50 kg तक सब साइज है। अच्छा ये ऑन साइज है। बैक के तो यहाँ पे ये क्या है? ये बाहर निकल जाते हैं। Oh, yeah. This is for inside. So we should have removed out.
ठीक है, it's okay. अब वहाँ ड्रॉर है बच्चों के लिए, बस लिए अपना सारा सामान वहाँ पे लाइन टेक कर। और ये स्टूडेंट है सर हमारा, एक ही आया हुआ।
Sir,
Is the student?
He is a member of the village.
yes.
Yeah, where are you? Pardon? So you are not certain? Yeah, verification of the documents in IPSC.
Thanks, sir. Then, sir.
Okay, so they come there. Your name?
Major Dr. Kusuki Deva. But in a few years back, they think tanks. They are also completed RDC 2, where unfortunately there is an exam velocity. That's why they have to be returned. It's also a very hectic days for us because these boys.
The issue with all these things, the extra activities,
Consider these things.
the university examination collide with the activities and everything.
They should have conducted their examination in some
Yeah.
other.
There's a provision that they will get the contribution for the extra exam, a special exam, but
Still, it will lack the course. No?
Yeah, yeah, that is.
that's why we have to do this.
But he was the leader yesterday.
Yeah.
I have already got the DGNCC award from DSC from Design. I also applied for that.
अगर हम नहीं जाते तो अलग से पार्टी देना ये स्वयं होता है
Depends already joined the CISF and DSF.
जब
How many students?
We have a group.
How many students got placed in PSF?
3 grades. 3 grades.
3 grades.
And then there's a two.
For the last 5 years?
These are anyway to apply.
स्टाफ लोगों से स्टाफ लोग से पैसा ले कल समझ नहीं उनसे ऐसे नहीं लेना DSP साहब नहीं बुलाया आप ही ने बुलाया मेरा पेट कम करवा दो
Assam and I want to transfer the candidate that is with 4 million. This is the candidate who got joined CISF.
His name?
Shubham Kumar.
शुभम चंद्र सर
Shubham Chandra sir.
Governor.
अबे वो घबरा गया
Nasi district came.
उधर से मानो अच्छा है
Leaders also participate in the teaching program.
हाँ देखिए
These people are from RDC. TSC from
Your superior officers will verify all these things.
Yeah, yes. Commanding officer. We are from the 37th Jharkhand Battalion. I may, this guy is about to I may that will be active. These people are part of the youth teaching program. That is Ravi Kumar, Manas, Ranjit Singh. That's Ravi Kumar, Manas is the candidate for the Manas is Malik and Ranjit Singh. We are trying our best, but due to the lack of some we are trying for serious command defense services after the graduation.
Thank you, sir.
सर 2 minutes only then the kids want to कल सर नहीं जा पाए
पूरा अंदर जाओ
ये सर
President of India
presented.
Rashtrapati Awards Draupadi Murmu this history 21-20
First visit China, one introduced student, one is Karim student.
Okay.
And second visit we one is Karim student. National Social Icon Award this year.
You take a photo.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा से फोटो खींच के
इसकी कॉपी दे दीजिए।
मतलब सब चीज़ ये स्पेशल कैंप में
Okay, this is enough. This is enough.
स्पेशल कैंप में होगी सर रिपोर्ट कर दिया
Your report I have seen the front.
These are the activities of classes. So
साजिद हमको एक दे दो जिसमें अडॉप्टेड विलेज वाला डालते हैं अच्छा से
Okay.
एनुअल मीटिंग रजिस्टर
रिपोर्ट सब दिखा दी आप
हाँ एनुअल मीटिंग रजिस्टर अटेंडेंस रजिस्टर
Okay, all these, I know that because NSS has a framework now. So this thing will be done. Sure.
All papers.
I'm interested in this one.
all paper cuttings, events. Hindi, English, Urdu, Bangla, all newspaper are University College of India, so many awards online seminars, what is classes on
Recent achievements of NSS in
Recent.
2023-24.
पीछे हो सर के साथ सबको सब टीचर्स का अगर अच्छा लगेगा
डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल
सीधी लेवल चाहे सब है ना
यूनिवर्सिटी youth festival, state level youth festival.
You should bring chairman to this one.
He came, but he didn't sit sad. He just talked with the students and went away.
No, you're not seeing here. State level, first prize, state level was national level in
This is the good.
Olivia
Yesterday,
हाँ,
she
yesterday,
performed.
हाँ. National television time. Meet with the Prime Minister. This you got 35,000. राष्ट्रपति अवार्ड से so many awards.
Team manager.
So we'll go there and I can tell all these things.
I was team manager there. Dr. Gaurav, she was a very This is achievement, sir. This This is my achievement inter college tournament and some important players present these all are Nesa International
कोई एक साल का दो ना, हाँ दे दो।
US Open Premier Cricket League. Karan Marwa, my student sir. Deepika Kumar Yarcha sir. She is my student. She was my student. Representing. This is individual and this is my sports certificate in this year 24-25 basketball, men and women, volleyball, chess championship. We are winner. We are different. We are winner in different sets from. This is the 23-24. This is the letter, invitation letter and participation letter between Kulhan University Inter College match.
Most of the time champions are not given certificate. They are
स्पोर्ट्स में है
those seats are in the
मीडिया कवरेज इज देयर ना
College honored the sports person with the track.
Anybody can buy certificate is important.
सर्टिफिकेट इज वो आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी कमी सर्टिफिकेट नहीं देता
अब वो नहीं देते
Ask them for the certificate.
Yes, sir. So many times.
बाद में मांगते हैं मास्टर में बाद में
आप जब स्पोर्ट्स काउंसिल की मीटिंग में जाइए ना, रेज दिस इशू इन द स्पोर्ट्स काउंसिल मीटिंग, है ना, एंड कहिए कि बिकॉज ऑफ नैक वी नीड द प्रूफ. वो ट्रॉफी
But they didn't give me any certificate or appreciation letter. And the team was champion also. हमेशा टीम चैंपियन भी हुई सर, but they didn't.
ईस्टर्न जोन भी रिप्रेजेंट किया.
Yes, his zone inter was so many times.
This is the waste management, e-waste management. Associated with the Hulla Day e-waste management, they are come to the
Hula Deck.
And
Kuru Foundation.
this is from different
Kuru Foundation.
Kuru Foundation. That is called Kuru Foundation.
foundation. But they, how every week they come or
No, not every week. I think
Just
twice or thrice in a year.
twice in a year?
Huh? Because
No, not waste. This laboratory waste, where do you go? Laboratory waste.
Chemistry lab wastage.
Wastage.
Our dustbin है कुछ इसमें? No, nothing.
they regularly take this.
Stationery is waste.
This is, I think, this is only non-biodegradable.
But where is it? I asked them about candy waste. He said candy waste is also thrown here. Candy waste. Take the dustbin. Kisko?
He is taking care of the entire wastage.
No, that is okay. They will put in that. You see, quality management.
Oh, that is managed by Jusco, our Jusco company. That it is managed by that Jusco. They take the waste from other waste they take from us.
But do you pay to this?
These are we pay to these companies.
Companies.
Yes. But that is Jusco. That is no, Tata Steel. Tata Steel. And we pay tax for that. That is why.
Like government.
Electricity and this waste management they do by. So now called
Tata Utilities
now it is called Tata
Infrastructure Services. Okay.
You are absolutely full bank every bank they are taking by Jusco, that is Tata Steel.
Well, you are calling.
बैठो बैठो
They became silent. Without any other
And all the CCTV surveillance.
खाना इधर बहुत अच्छे क्या मिलते हैं पास्ता मिलता है सैंडविच मिलता है समोसा इडली हाँ हमारा मतलब सुबह से रहता है हमारे क्लासेस तो शाम हो जाता है तो हम लंच करते हैं
These are the menu. Swad in. Swad means taste.
I know.
Okay.
आराम से
प्रिंसिपल साहब आ गए क्या?
आगे चले अब उतना काफी है वापस कर छोड़ो
them, you can certain courses are being done. So they have mandatory, like, they have to prepare something. So the director asked me so many times to offer a course, but somehow I didn't pay attention. Now I am not interested. But I am encouraging one of the students. I asked him. They say I called the director. So he said that now actually they are encouraging more in local languages than in English. Means there is a demand for local language.
Later for
the Santhali language.
Yeah.
So we are not very much aware about the Santhali language. So we told them only in Hindi and in English we are
No, did you contact anybody?
I'm working in Japan, but I think 2016. And after that, I have not tried for the department or this. But very much interested for this one. नहीं तो अनपुट नाम ये तो
You mean that you want to offer course? You want to offer one or two people. Take senior and then two of you.
And usually it takes like 5 to 7 years to become senior.
Yes, this is not,
So stand.
It's such not exactly
What mass communication is, and now when we see that they are leading.
What they have made a mistake yesterday. They should have presented first the
Mass communication.
Yeah.
But mass communication, okay, not with business, but that's what I'm saying.
And they should have entrusted the whole thing to you. Yeah. But anyway, we observed and so then only to make
So this is the another
second floor.
second studio with chroma facility. So you are entering and live thing is happening over there. So that's the come please come forward.
Okay.
Please interchange.
So here we have podcast facility, and then also if they have to prepare for news anchoring and all those things, then they are doing here. With the light and chroma, we can change the background with this green screen.
Okay.
You are being recorded there.
Yes.
See you, sir. So that's there.
No, really mass communication yes, technologically is so highly developed here department.
ये सब में आपका अभी सब का सही है नहीं वो
ये बस यहाँ का स्पेस बना हुआ है, यहाँ से स्टार्ट है।
उसके बाद ये वाली स्टार्ट हुई, एडिट चल ही रहा है।
Respected teachers, the guidance and the beautiful words of our chairman, sir. I request him to speak on behalf of the whole NAC peer team that was visiting our campus. Please, sir.
Good evening, all of you. It's really an unpleasant work to assess someone. Even the small child don't want to be evaluated by even by parents, but to talk about the outsiders. Sometimes we misunderstood the intentions of others, sometimes of the process also. But the initiative taken by the Government of India, particularly for the assessment of these educational institutions for the quality and for bringing transformation in the education, this kind of exercise is going on since years, and you are here in the fourth cycle. Really difficult for the peer team to evaluate, to incorporate, and that is also in the limited words. You have to prepare. As for example, yesterday it was quite hectic. Everyone was running after it. this place, that place. Tell me this thing. Why are you not doing this kind of things? Sometimes we are explaining that this is because of this reason. Sometimes we are trying to manipulate so that we can get the right kind of information. So if anyone is feeling that peer team is arrogant, or the chairperson or member coordinator or member is arrogant, they are really not arrogant. They are the part of your community. You are from my community, and that is the teaching faculty. That is the educational institutions where the teaching, non-teaching people are together. And this is lengthy address because of the reasons Dr. Ibrahim asked me to say something. Otherwise it's formal. Really thankful to you. And but the question is, many times, I was telling one incident, because we keep the records, everything is with us, that one of the principal appealed against our decision. Since they are very close to the A grade, although our contribution to the evaluation is only 30%, around 30%, I think. So, but we can motivate the people, only that is the role of the peer team. And ultimately he is successful in getting A because he wanted that there must be a research center sanctioned by the university, affiliating university. And he has been successful in doing that. It is in Madhya Pradesh, and I visited that college about more than 1 year ago. Still continuing, sending me good morning messages in the morning every day. So this is that kind of the bondage. Because we people are from the same community, we wanted to assess, and teacher is very much benevolent, generous, and sometimes more than the parents, sometimes. We are also in that capacity, and peer team is also in that capacity. Everyone is doing it. Because we know when we are assessing something, that they have done this thing, that thing, is it there or not? Sometimes we have to get we say rather extractions from the community, that what you have done, so that we can give weightage to that particular criteria, that particular element of the maybe say that achievement. Sometimes you don't know. As for example, yesterday I was talking about with the management that better you'll rent out some of the portion of your building, so that there may be revenue generation, mobilization of revenue. That's its weightage in your score. But unfortunately you are not doing it, because this is considered, why should we go for that purpose? This is that kind of the system. So anyhow, but here we find that college is quite good. It's really an achievement that you have 5,000 plus population.
Faculty members, non-teaching staff and my dear students. सबसे पहले मैं आज अपने चेयरमैन प्रोफेसर अजमेर सिंह मलिक साहब का कॉलेज मैनेजमेंट, अपने तमाम फैकल्टी मेंबर्स, नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ एंड स्टूडेंट्स की ओर से आपका दिल की गहराई से शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। आपने 2 दिन हमारे कॉलेज का असेस किया और साथ साथ सर से जो इंटरेक्शन के बाद जो सजेशंस या कॉलेज के बारे में जो उन्होंने कहा, उसमें 2-3 चीज़ मैं ज़रूर एलेबरेट करूंगा आपके सामने, और ये कहना इसलिए ज़रूरी है सर 4 साल से हमारी टीम ने मेहनत की और एक टीम वर्क में हम लोगों ने सब काम किया। इसके लिए मैं तमाम फैकल्टी मेंबर्स आपका शुक्रिया अदा कर रहा हूँ। लेकिन हमारी नैक पीयर टीम ने जो कहा वो मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ कि कॉलेज में IQAC का जो रोल है वो सबसे बड़ा, ईच एंड एवरी प्रोग्राम जो भी होगा उसमें हमारे IQAC का हम पार्टिसिपेशन 100% होना है। इसलिए अब जो भी काम हम लोग करेंगे IQAC की बैनर ही की तरह करेंगे। दूसरी बात जो और भी इन्होंने सजेशन दिया, मैं उसके लिए अलग से तमाम फैकल्टी मेंबर्स और नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ के साथ मैं बैठूंगा, क्योंकि उन्होंने मुझे आई ओपनर के तौर पर मैं अपने को देख रहा हूं और बहुत सारी जो कॉलेज के डेवलपमेंट के सिलसिले में जो हो सकता है, और एक जो टीचर्स की जो जिम्मेदारी है उन सब सारी चीज़ों का जो उन्होंने डिटेल से बताया है, मैं उसके लिए भी एक अलग से मीटिंग करूंगा। लेकिन सर जिस तरह के से आपने हमारे कॉलेज को एसेस किया और साथ साथ जो आपकी जो मोटिवेशनल वर्ड हमारे लिए है उसके लिए मैं आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ। मैं प्रोफेसर महेंद्रवाड़ा मैम, आपका भी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। आपने चीज़ों को बहुत गहराई से देखा। हमारे टीचर्स भी बहुत, जब आप देख रहे थे जो सजेशंस आपके आ रहे थे, हमारे टीचर्स का जो फीडबैक हमें मिला, वी आर वेरी हैप्पी। थैंक यू वेरी मच टू मैम। डॉक्टर मोहम्मद इलियास बेसिकली वो भी माइनॉरिटी कॉलेज से बिलोंग करते हैं और वो इस चीज़ों को, बहुत सारी चीज़ों को जो हमें और भी करना है, टेक्निकली एडवांस करना है, तो सर मैं आपके सजेशन को भी इंशाल्लाह ज़रूर कॉलेज में इम्प्लीमेंट करूंगा। और एक ज़्यादा नहीं, विदिन 1 ईयर हम कोशिश करेंगे कि वो सारी चीज़ों को हम जो है अपने कॉलेज में लागू करें, ताकि, और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि जो आपने जो मेहनत किया उसका रिजल्ट हमें ज़रूर मिलेगा। मैं अपने तमाम फैकल्टी मेंबर्स जिन्होंने टीम वर्क के साथ काम किया, मैं उनका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। मैं अपने तमाम एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव स्टाफ, स्टूडेंट्स, NCC वॉलंटियर्स, NSS वॉलंटियर्स, स्टूडेंट्स ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी, वेरियस कमेटीज जो इस नैक पीयर टीम के लिए हमने बनाया था, मैनेजमेंट ऑफ करीम सिटी कॉलेज, ऑल वॉलंटियर्स, और ख़ास करके रात को 11:30 बजे रात में मैं कॉलेज में था, जमशेद, ये हसीब और जावेद, ये तीनों बच्चों का मैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कह रहा हूँ, बहुत बहुत। प्रेस मीडिया का भी मैं शुक्रिया अदा कर रहा हूँ। मेरे पास आपके लिए शुक्रिया अदा करने के अल्फाज नहीं है, बस इतना कहूँगा जो टीम आपने बनाया है इसको आप काम कायम रखेंगे। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। मैं 2 नाम भूल गए, हमारे यहिया साहब और IQ से मोहित साहब, ये जो रेगुलर इन्होंने जो आपको 4 साल परेशान किया है उसके लिए तो मैं माफ़ी चाहूँगा, लेकिन इनका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया जो आप हमारे टीम का SSR और पूरी टीम को तैयार करने में, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।